Greetings. You are a fortunate person. You were born under a lucky star, and that will carry you safely through all your ventures. In time, your love life will be something for the world to talk about. You will be extremely happy. There will be those who envy you and try to harm you. Just really learn who your true friends are, and all will go very well with you. Your lucky stone is a ruby, and your lucky numbers are 5, 13, 22, and 8. Thank you. Greetings. What a joy to look ahead to read into the signs of your future. So much happiness is in store for you that the most brilliantly lighted stars will be put to shame by the brightness of your life. This is not all caused by sheer good luck. Nay, nay, my dear. Your perseverance, your clever ways of handling your domestic problems, and your sincerity in dealing with others are pointing the way to their reward. Your lucky stone is an emerald, and your lucky numbers are 12, 31, 17, and 4. Thank you. For more information and to order, visit www.starliteproductdevelopment.com.